Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today we're taking a look at some of the best new apps that you can get on your device in November 2023. And we're starting things off with a really interesting app called Screenshots. Now what Screenshots allows you to do is that you can take a screenshot of a profile on any of the social media, and then the app will scan your library and will automatically find those screenshots, and you will find them right here within the app. Now what's really cool is that anytime you want to go back to any of those profiles, all you have to do is just tap the screenshot on the app and it will take you right to that profile. So you don't need to save a link. All you have to do is just take a screenshot of the profile and you're good to go. Anytime you tap there, it takes you right into the profile. LivePod is the next app for the video. Now this is a really cool app that offers a live activity that will show you the up next song right on the lock screen. So when you're playing music with the Apple Music app, you can see here we have the default player of iOS, but just underneath that we will have this live activity which will show the upcoming song. So of course if we switch there, you can see it switches to that song and then it shows the other upcoming song. Now what you will find also here within the app, if you go to the settings of the app, you will also be able to actually enable notifications for track changing on the music app. So whenever the song has changed, you will receive a notification here showing you the new song that is playing. TypeAI is the next app for the video. Now this is an awesome keyboard app that allows you to use your keyboard with AI integrated within the keyboard. Now once you have installed the app, just make sure you go to your settings, you go to general, and right here under keyboards, make sure that you add TypeAI. Now you can see right here what it does. I have a text right there that is written wrong. I can just tap on that button and tap on check grammar. It will check the grammar and will show you the result right there, and tap apply and you're good to go. It will fix the text for you, but you will have other options here as well. You can check grammar, of course. You can ask AI anything you want. You can translate here, reply. You can make it continue your text. So if you're typing something, you can just tap on continue text to actually let the AI do that for you. And of course, you can chat with the AI right here and even write emails right from the app. So you will have also the app right here, which does that for you. So of course you will have the buttons right on your keyboard. So anytime you're typing an email, maybe you want AI to do that, you just tap here and you go into the app. Next up, we have a couple of wallpaper apps. This is Wallpapers 17 and it offers some amazing wallpapers for your device. So right here we have the wallpapers which are created for the dynamic island. As you can see right there, they look pretty cool. You will have a bunch of different like wallpapers here, different categories. You will have the standby wallpapers, which you can use of course with the standby mode on iOS 17. Then you will have of course here all the different iPhone wallpapers and all that. Then you will have call wallpaper. Now these are wallpapers that are created for your call posters on iOS 17. You will also have live wallpapers, which you can download from here. And of course, you know, with iOS 17, we now have the wallpapers, the live wallpapers back on the lock screen. You can use them from here. Of course, you will have different categories to choose from. And then you will have here all the wallpapers, again, with all the different categories and the search bar right there to search for any specific wallpaper you want. Here's the next one. It is called FreshWalls, and this is also an amazing new wallpaper app with a ton of beautiful wallpapers. Now this is the home screen here where you can explore like different wallpapers. As you can see, we have some really cool wallpapers and a lot of them. And then you will have here all the different categories, a really beautiful design here. You can just go ahead and pick any category you want and of course explore the wallpapers from that category. You will have the trending, basically the wallpapers that are being downloaded the most by users here on the app. And you can see really beautiful wallpapers. And then if you go here, we'll have some depth wallpapers which you can use with the lock screen of your iOS 17 or iOS 16 device. And these again are really awesome. So anytime you want to like download a wallpaper, you tap on it, you will have the button here to save it, or you can even edit the wallpaper here, like maybe add some blur to the wallpaper if you want to do that, or just basically add like any different effects here to the wallpaper before downloading it to your device. Next up is GPS Myself. This is also a really interesting app. It allows you to send your location, but actually with details. So let's say you have a meeting or something, you can just open the app, of course, using location services. You can just like share your location, very easily. So you will have here like a bar where you can just add a message if you want to. So I can tap there, meeting is here, tap on return, tap on share location, and this allows me to share my location directly from here. Of course, I can copy this or just send it on a message or maybe on a quick note. And you can see if I go to quick notes right here, how cool this looks. So let me just copy this. And you can see it basically shows you the position, the link right there to Google Maps, and of course everything here. You can see the comment that you made right there, so you can just share this with anyone with one click. MoYo Widgets is the next one for the video. This is a new widget app that offers some amazing widgets for your device. And as you can see right here, this clock widget, which actually has icons of apps right there instead of numbers, and they do work. So if you have this on your home screen, I can just tap right there. Let's say I can tap Twitter, and I will open Twitter directly from here. Not it only looks good, it also works as it should. Now going into the app, you will see here we have a ton of different widgets that we can download. So here's the For You page where you will find all kinds of different widgets. You will have different categories. You will have photos, icon launchers, of course time and clock here, the X boards, which are really cool with a bunch of like different information regarding your device. So you can see right here all the different information, and any of these are customizable. So you can see right here we have all kinds of different options to actually customize these. And if you're using one of the app launchers like the one that I just showed you guys on the home screen, you can actually pick any app right here and you can switch it with another app that you want. So the current app right here you can see is X. I can just go ahead and replace it with any other app I want. The next one is MD Calculator, and this one allows you to have a calculator as a widget on the home screen of your device. Of course, everything here works as it should, like a calculator app should work. It's pretty cool and of course very easy to work with. Now what you can do is of course open the app, and from here you will be able to actually customize the widget that you have. So you will have flat and classic. The flat one is actually free. You will have to unlock via premium subscription the classic one, which actually looks much better. You can see how cool these are, but even with the flat one you will be able to customize it, or you can choose any of the presets right here, which of course look really awesome. And you can now have a calculator on the home screen of your iOS device. The next app for the video is called Solvie. This is another AI app that allows you to solve different problems using AI. So you can see right here we have the home screen. Here are the popular ones that most people use, like you can write an essay, you have like biology questions maybe, or math. If you go to math, you can simply type your problem or tap right here to actually scan any problem that you might have, and of course it will resolve that for you, showing you the results with all the details. And you will have the history right here of all the different like problems and anything that you have solved with this app. And you can see how cool this is. You just add like a problem there, it will solve it, and of course give you explanation about everything that you need to know. And last but not least is Countdown. This is a simple countdown app, but what I really love about it is that it actually utilizes live activities and of course the dynamic island. So if we have a countdown here, like this one that you can create with this app, you will have it on the live activity. So tap on Start Live Activity and you can have the countdown there all the time. You can see how cool that is. You can customize it with your own emoji right there, and of course have the countdown there, or have it right on the lock screen of your device. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the apps. If you did and you want to download any of them, make sure you check out the pinned comment. All the links will be there. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.